Have you ever pondered about the invisible yet powerful entities that are capable of transforming life on Earth? As we journey through the cosmos of our knowledge, we often bypass a world teeming with life yet unseen to the naked eye. Today we delve into this enigmatic realm, the world of viruses, viroids, prions, and lichens. These microscopic entities, some even straddling the line between life and non-life, play vital roles that shape the world as we know it. From the viruses that challenge our immune systems, to the viroids that can turn a lush field into a barren land, to the prions that can restructure our very brains, and the lichens that paint our rocks and trees with their vibrant hues. These entities are far more influential than their size might suggest. So, buckle up for a journey of discovery, of wonder, and of understanding. Dive with us into this fascinating world as we explore these four unusual life forms. First, we turn our microscopic lens towards the kingdom of viruses. Now, what exactly is a virus? Picture a minuscule, infectious agent that can only replicate inside the cells of another organism. Viruses are acellular, which means they don't possess cells. Instead, they're composed of 2 or 3 parts: genetic material, which is either DNA or RNA, a protein coat that protects these genes, and in some cases, an envelope of lipids that surrounds the protein coat when they are outside a cell. How do viruses replicate, you ask? They invade host cells within our body or in other living organisms, commandeering the host's cellular machinery to reproduce. This often results in diseases as the host cells are damaged or destroyed during the viral invasion process. But it's not all doom and gloom. Viruses, despite their damaging reputation, also play a critical role in our ecosystem. They are one of the largest reservoirs of unexplored genetic diversity on Earth. They influence the population dynamics of species, drive evolution through horizontal gene transfer, and impact the cycling of nutrients in ecosystems by infecting and lysing microbial cells. So, while viruses are often seen as harmful, it's important to remember that they are a vital part of life's tapestry, influencing everything from human health to the evolution of life itself. As we can see, viruses, despite being tiny, wield a significant influence on life as we know it. Next, we delve into the realm of the even smaller, the viroids. These microscopic entities, first discovered in the 20th century, are a fascinating study. Unlike their larger cousins, the viruses, viroids lack a protective protein coat, or capsid. They are simply tiny strands of RNA, barely a few hundred nucleotides long, yet they are fully capable of causing disease. Viroids differ from viruses in more ways than one. They don't encode proteins. Instead, they hijack the machinery of the host cells to replicate themselves. They're also unique in their selectivity. Viroids only infect plants, causing a range of diseases from the mild to the devastating. From potato spindle tuber disease to apple scar skin, the tiny viroids have a big impact on our agriculture. So while they might not be as well known as viruses, don't underestimate these minuscule mischief makers. Viroids, though lesser known, play a pivotal role in our ecosystem. Moving on, we encounter the enigmatic prions. These are not your average biological entities. They are proteinaceous infectious particles devoid of any nucleic acids, DNA, or RNA that we usually associate with life. Yet they have a profound ability to cause diseases. Prions are essentially misfolded proteins that can trigger normal proteins in the brain to fold incorrectly as well. This chain reaction of misfolding can lead to devastating neurodegenerative diseases, such as Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease in humans, or bovine spongiform encephalopathy, more commonly known as mad cow disease. Now, you might be wondering, how can a mere protein cause such havoc? It's their unique nature that's at play. Prions are resistant to procedures that would typically inactivate most proteins or pathogens, making them incredibly difficult to destroy. Their resilience is what allows them to cause such widespread damage. But fear not, for there's a silver lining. The world of science is ceaselessly working to understand prions better. Ongoing research is delving into their structure, their mechanism of infection and propagation, and potential therapeutic interventions. This research is not just about combating prion diseases, but also about understanding the fundamental aspects of protein folding and misfolding, which has wider implications in many other diseases. Prions, the misfolded proteins, remind us of the intricate complexity of life. Finally, we step into the world of the beautiful and diverse lichens. These fascinating organisms are not just one, but a harmonious union of two separate entities, a fungus and an alga or cyanobacteria. This union is so seamless that we often perceive lichens as a single organism. The symbiotic relationship between the two is truly remarkable. The fungus, with its network of hyphae, provides the structure and protection, while the photosynthetic partner, the alga or cyanobacteria, supplies the food through photosynthesis. This mutual exchange is the essence of their symbiotic relationship, a beautiful example of nature's cooperation. Lichens are more than just intriguing biological partnerships. They're ecological powerhouses. They're among the first colonizers of barren landscapes, where they begin the process of soil formation. They break down rocks into soil, paving the way for other organisms to take root. This transformative ability of lichens is crucial in ecosystems from Arctic tundra to rocky deserts. In addition to their ecological contributions, lichens have significant importance to us humans. For centuries, they've been used in traditional medicines, dyes, and even as indicators of air quality. Certain lichen species are so sensitive to pollutants that their presence or absence can provide valuable information about the health of our environment. But the story of lichens doesn't stop here. They're resilient, capable of withstanding extreme conditions that other organisms can't survive. They're found everywhere, from the Arctic cold to the desert heat, from mountaintops to city pavements. They're a testament to the power of symbiosis and adaptability. So the next time you come across a lichen, whether it's the elegant lace of a tree-dwelling usnea or the vibrant orange of a rock-inhabiting xanthoria, remember that you're looking at a complex symbiotic organism that plays a pivotal role in our world. Lichens, the quiet contributors, play a crucial role in many ecosystems around the globe. Today, we've journeyed through the curious domains of viruses, viroids, prions, and lichens. We've discovered that viruses, though not alive, can hijack living cells. Viroids, with their simple structure, can cause vast agricultural damage. Prions, devoid of genetic material, can still cause fatal diseases. Lichens, the result of a unique symbiosis, are essential to many ecosystems. Indeed, these unseen life forms, though small, have a colossal impact on our world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning,